Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I am back with the video about VLOOKUP, which is a short version of vertical lookup. I am dealing with the large data set again. I want to get a new value here, sales channel rating, which is coming from another sheet. Google Shopping 4.5, Wing.com 4.8, and ABC 3.6. So how do I get that data here? I could filter and then just put the value there, but if I have much more sales channel and much more values, that is not so efficient. So I will just simply use VLOOKUP function, where we look at the VLOOKUP. The first thing we need to give is the lookup value, but the lookup value will be the, so to say, the key identifier, which can be found in both databases from where I get the data and into which I put the data. So this Google Shopping I can find on the tab of the sales channel ranking 2. Then I need a table array. This table array represents the array from where I get the data. So I just map the table, and I can see that I need the value of the second column, because I don't need Google Shopping, I need the 4.5. Column index number is 2. The indexing starts from 1, not 0. And the range lookup will be 0, that means exact matching, not approximate matching. Then I close the brackets, then I hit enter. 4.5. Google Shopping is 4.5? Yes. I drop down the cells, and I made a mistake already, because why? Because I didn't fix the cells. I fixed the range, and now should be working. 4.8, Wing.com, yes. ABC 3.6, yes. Yeah, that's it about VLOOKUP, which is a very basic skill, but very useful. Thank you for your attention. I will get back to you soon. Bye.